Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Yeah. Today's topic will be contract. Okay, contract means outline agreement in general we call OA. In short, OA, outline agreement. Okay, this is an again this is an internal document, and this is the agreement we are maintaining in our system between the vendor and the organization. Okay, okay, this is again an internal document, and we are maintaining that with the vendor. For each vendor, we have the outline agreement. Okay, from there, we were maintaining all the materials in the outline agreement. How we maintain the source list info record for each vendor. The same way, we will be maintaining the outline agreement for the vendor with for the each material.
So this agreement is between organization and vendor for each material.
Yeah.
Okay.
So in that agreement, we are entering all the price and duration and for which material, what is the packaging type, how it is sending. And see, for two vendors, if you are purchasing the material, for example, chemicals you can take. Okay, one vendor, they are giving one drum, they are weighting it as a 450 kgs. Okay, another vendor is sending with the 455 kgs. Okay, that time while you are making the GR, and while you are receiving the material for that vendor, there will be a difference if you are maintaining only one weight. Okay, for that reason, we will be maintaining the different records. Okay, from there, the PO price will be fetching. Weights, everything will be fetching from there. Okay, from while receiving the PO price will be fetching from the outline agreement. Info record, what it will record? Info record will be recording in our system. Our inventory records will be maintaining in the reflecting from the info record. Okay, what all the conversion we had maintained, what all the MOQ we had maintained, that will be fetching from the info record. I will show you. Okay, let the system start.
Okay.
Why it's taking time today? Okay, in general, I will just tell you. To create the outline agreement, okay, contract, the T code ME31K, okay. To change the outline agreement, the T code is ME32K, okay. To display the outline agreement or OA, the T code is ME33K, okay. For quarterly, prices will be changing from the vendor. Okay, vendor will give the list of materials they are supplying and the prices for the duration from January 1 to March 31st, and from second quarter April 1st to June 30, like that they will give. So that we need to enter it in our system.
Can you repeat one more time the things what you said just now?
Yeah. Vendor will be giving the price list for each quarter. Okay. For each quarter means first quarter, second quarter, the prices will be changing for the consumable products. Okay. For those products, we need to change the price in outline agreement for each vendor. That we will be
Oh,
maintaining in the outline agreement. In the PO, the outline agreement prices will be fetching.
okay. So basically,
Okay.
whenever the means we need to be aligned with outline agreement with PO.
Yes.
By seeing the
Yes.
outline agreement price, we need to
Yes.
change the price in the purchase order. Correct?
Purchase order. Yes, exactly. You are
Okay.
correct.
Yeah.
That's the reason we are maintaining the outline agreement with the each vendor. That even the outline agreement having the validity. Okay. In that outline agreement, you can enter the number of materials supplying from the vendors. Okay, and list what all the materials they are sending for each material. They will be having a separate numbers. Okay, outline agreement and contract number. Outline agreement, you are creating only one outline agreement with the vendor. For each vendor, there will be separate outline agreements will be there. For one vendor, if you are creating the outline agreement, in that you will be adding all the materials list. Okay. Did you done the practice?
PRPO done. So rest of the things today I will work on that material creation vendor master data. Today I'm going to do that one.
Yeah, because see, the portion will be continually going on. But if you are lagging somewhere means, so if you are not practiced, you will be lagging somewhere and things will be going ahead. Please be practiced. Please be on time on the practice sessions. Okay. Please spend 1 or 2 hour daily play with the SAP. You will get to know more things. Again, tomorrow topic will be request for the quotation. Okay. So before you are finalizing the vendor, you need to send the quotation for the 2 to 3 vendors. How you are constructing the house, you will be contacting the 2 to 3 engineers or contractors, and you will be taking the quotation from there. Same way, you need to request for the quotation for the vendors for the materials. Okay. From there, you need to finalize the vendor. Okay. We'll enter into the SAP ME31K. Okay, see. MB31K. This is the initial screen of the outline agreement. To create the outline agreement. Okay. Vendor. Vendor means 1000 I can give. Okay. See, agreement type. You can just check it at here. Agreement type. This is a quantity contract or the value contract. We are doing the quantity contract. Means we are only taking the materials in quantities, not bother about the value. Okay, if it's a value means it's a value specified. Only that much amount of the till that much amount we reach. Like for the one vendor, they are supplying 5 to 6 materials. Okay, we can do the business with him only up to 50,000 US dollars. More than that, we are not going to purchase any material with him. We will be moving to the next vendor. Like that, it will be there. Okay, ours is quantity contract. Okay, and then agreement date. It will take the today's agreement date. Okay, validity start from here. Purchase organization. Again, you can give 01. Purchase group, that is not required, but still I'm. And then account assignment category is not required. Item category means standard. Okay, for the standard orders, we are taking this, considering this agreement. Okay, for which plant you are doing this one? Okay, again, for which plant you are doing? I think this vendor is already exist. I think the contract is already exist. I will just take the another. Okay, vendor company code. It, right. Last time we had created something, right? I'll just check that. Show 03. Because this is a standard one, everyone had created that one. Okay, I will just take this one. I guess the contract was already exist. Okay, I have changed the not created for purchase. Okay, purchase organization. Okay, it's a purchase. Okay, fill the required entry. See, here it will show the required entry. See, validity start. Okay, and then validity end from. Okay, this validity we can take it as a 99. Okay, and then item number 10 and sub item interval. Interval means it has to be 1, 2, 3 like this. It has to come or how it has to be. Okay, then payment terms, all the things, these all things, it is fetched from the your vendor master data. Okay, if you want to change anything like payment terms, you want to change it here, you can change it here as well. Okay, and then see exchange rate, see target value. If anything target value is there, you can give that here. Okay, what currency they are operating? We have mentioned that INR. Okay, here it has taken it as a INR. Okay, and then if you want to create any reference data from the quotation date, everything like salesperson, telephone number for that vendor, you can maintain it at here. Okay, then hit enter.
What is
See,
the target value? What does that indicate?
yeah, target value means for this vendor, how much target you can give. Like I told no 50,000 or 60,000 target. So till that much you can maintain it at here. Even if it's a quantity, again you can maintain that target. Okay, like how much value you can take it from here. Means if you have 1,000 euros, till 1,000 euros you can purchase it from them. Okay.
Okay.
So item we had maintained. Okay. Item for him 361 we had created, right? Okay. 361 you see. This is a next screen of the OA outline agreement. The material is 361 we had created earlier. Short text it will take it from there. Target quantity it will take it as a, we can consider it as a 500 we can give. You just hit the enter. Next things it will fetch from the material master and then I will tell you. See, bottle. Ordering unit bottle we had maintained at the, where we had maintained? We had maintained this at the material master data. Okay. From there it is taken. You can see it at here. See boxes, bottle, pieces it is there. We have maintained the bottle, boxes and pieces for this material. You can change it at here. Okay, you can mention this is, see, if this vendor is not sending the material in bottles, he is sending it in pieces. Okay, that time you can change it at the here. Whatever you have mentioned at the material master record, but still you can change it at here. Okay, net price. Net price you can consider, again I will just make it as a bottle. Okay, that changes you can do. See, and then see 1200 for one bottle. The price is 1200 for one bottle. Okay, I am mentioning it at here. Okay, you just hit the, again this is plant. Okay, you just hit the enter. In regular work, you will be using this outline agreement number, and then next, see, this is item. Okay, this is created now. Okay, this is now created. So now you need to just save it. Okay, you just save it. The, okay, first time it is creating, so it will take the time. Okay, this is the important outline agreement will be the important for next your day-to-day activities in the company. Okay, you just copy this agreement number, and then if you want to make the any changes, okay, vendor will say that I am changing the, okay, see this is automatically taken, just hit the enter button and then see you just click this one. Okay, if you want to make any changes, okay, and then see price changes is there, item conditions, so you just click it at here. See again, if the any changes is came, like we have maintain the prices 3112 1999. Okay, this is price validity, it has taken from the whatever we have given there, it is taken. Okay, you need to new validity period, you can enter the new validity period, it will come it at here. Okay, here you can mention, see from 29 it is there, you can mention it at the February 1st you can mention. Okay, and then where it is February, from February 1st, no, it is taken 25. Okay, here it is there. From February 2 you can mention it, June to 2026. The price is 1300. Okay, you just hit the enter. Okay. So from here, I can say that if the vendor will be saying that if you purchase the 1,000 quantity, then I will give the price at, what is the price here? This is 1300, right? He will say that he will give at 1100. Okay. If you purchase 900, then he will say that I will give you at 1000. Okay, price. And if you go purchase 500 quantity, then my price will be 1300. It is called scaling. Okay, scaling or the discount he will be giving. That time, how you need to maintain the price? You need to click this one. Here, there is a scales. Can you see this one scales? Okay, you just click this scales. Okay, scale it is scale. Here you have to mention. Wait, here you need to mention from till how much it is there. 1000 is there, 900 is there, 500. Okay, for up to 1, and then 501. 501 will be 1000. See, and then next will be 901. 901, at what price they will give? 1000. No, 501 is okay. 901 next will be 1100. Like this, you can maintain the prices. What it will say, from 1 to up to 500, the price will be 1300. From 501 to up to, it will consider 900. If you are purchasing, then it is considered 1000. Okay, and then from 901 to whatever material you have purchased, how much material you can purchase, the prices will be 1100. You just hit the enter. Okay, just save it. This is saved now. Okay, now what you need to do it, again come to slash n me01 source list. Okay, source list you need to come. Okay, just hit the enter. Here we have maintained the, what we had maintained? We have maintained the vendor 100,000. Okay, again today what we will do? Okay, today we will maintain another. Okay, here see, you can see the agreement. Okay, agreement, you can hit the number and then the item. Okay, if it is not there as well, I will show you. I will just delete this. Okay, what is the vendor? That is Z something, it is there.
51. 251.
Okay, Z 251. Okay, hit the enter.
Hmm.
These vendors supply plant or outline agreement. See, okay, plant. Okay, okay. Once. Okay, we had just created the vendor. Okay, no master record is purchase organization. Person. I'll just check. So, no master record is. See, I have entered the outline agreement and the item number. Okay, so it has taken. it has considering. So every time the same thing it will happen. Okay. When you enter the vendor, you need to maintain the agreement. It is agreement, it is there. You need to maintain the agreement and the line item. This is called line item. Okay. You need to maintain it here. Okay. And then here it is a MRP. MRP means material planning requirement. Okay. Material requirement planning. Okay, if you consider, if you hit it as a one, then okay, if you consider it as a one, then this vendor will be considering it as the MRP run. Means while the material is planning, material is running in the background, means requirement, all the requirement gathering will be happening. So that time source of supply will be considering. Okay, if you fix this one, okay, if you fix this one, at while we are material planning will be taken place, while in background MRP will run. At that time, the fixed source or the quota arrangement will be there. That will be considering in the MRP. So for that reason, you need to mention it as a one at here. If this vendor needs to be considered at the MRP run, you need to mention it as a one at here. And if you want to fix this one, you need to fix. Okay, if two vendor is the next topic I will tell you. So today for this fix vendor and then MRP it will take it as a one, then just save it. So let's change. Okay, that is fine. Now what we need to do, just slash n me 51 then to create the source of supply and then material 361, hit the enter the quantity 50 plant and creating the purchase requisition. Okay, see source of supply, what it is considered fixed vendor. We have maintained the Z 521 and then agreement. Can you see this one? Agreement. Agreement also it is pledged. So we had attached that in the source list. Again, agreement is also fetched from there. Okay, source list we had saved and then hit the save button. Okay, slash ME 21 and okay, here you need not to do anything. You just commit and the purchase requisition number. Just hit the enter. See everything it is pledged from the there. Okay. I will mention it here. I will mention the 1000. Okay. 1 second. And the price 500. And then 1 second. Oh, we have not maintained the material info record, right? For that reason, we will plus one there. Okay. And then Info record it is pledged in the outline agreement it is pledged everything. I'll just check the price there, okay? Once it is okay. So everything it is pledged from there and you need to save it. This one. The same process. Next will be the same process. See, the scaling price is not coming. Why? Because the starting date it is 2. Okay. For that reason, the price is not fetching in the outline agreement as the scaling price. Whatever we had mentioned, 1200 for one bottle, the PO in the PO price, it is considering the same one. I will just explain you. Okay, wait for a minute. My purchase orders. Okay. See, the 1200 price is fetching from the outline agreement. Okay. And outline agreement. And then the thing is, see, here we have maintained the scaling, right? Scaling for the, see, scaling for the that material. What we had maintained, if the vendor had sending me the price, if the vendor is sending the 500 material, the price will be different. Everything we had maintained. Okay. So that is not fletching. See, this we have maintained, right? That has to be fletched to the PO. This is not fletching. Why? Because validity start from 2 not today. Okay. If you had created the validity from today, if you enter the date today, then if you enter the price 501, then the price will reduce to 1000. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, this plays an important role. That is what I am checking there. Okay, this validity period it is starting from February 2. Okay, so from February 2, if you are creating the material or if you are creating the PO for this material with the quantity changes, then price changes it will reflect on the POs. Okay, this is the importance of the outline agreement. Okay, and then in outline agreement, see here you can enter the n number of materials. What all the materials sending from by the vendor, you can keep the records here. You can maintain the outline agreement with the vendor. So outline agreement is fixed. This is the number. Okay, from number the next item number it will reflect. This is the fixed one. Okay, from there the next items you can enter it at here considering the outline agreement and then line item will be 10, 20, 30. Okay, that you can enter it at the source list or anything. If any changes is made it at here, you can change make the changes at here. I will show you the remaining
For
things.
each for each agreement, the number will be different, right? That
Yeah, yeah,
agreement
yeah.
number.
Yeah,
Okay.
for each vendor, agreement number will be a different.
For each
For each,
material. Okay.
no, no. For each vendor,
Hmm.
this number will change. This,
Okay.
this number will be this one agreement we will be creating with one vendor.
Hmm.
Okay, in that agreement, we will be adding the materials. Okay, materials will be keep adding. If see if this vendor is sending the M01 hyphen, okay, 5,000 pieces. What is the price? So like that, we will be keep on adding the materials sending by the vendor and the price everything each maintain records everything will be maintaining it at the outline agreement. Okay, I was showing something. Okay, item details you can go here. See, quantity conversion, one piece equal to one piece it is there. Okay, like that you can change the things that here. Net order price is 1000 is there, and then quantity conversion it is one piece is equal to pieces is there for that. And see here if you go, you can see the See, here it is one bottle equal to one bottle conversion is there because we had maintained the enterprise bottle. So like that, all the details will be there. Okay, if you want to edit it, edit. Means item text, long text, anything you need to give it to the vendor, you can give it at here as well. Okay, for that material. This is material specific.
Sandeep,
Okay.
can you stop recording 1 second?